One of the great joys of parenting is helping your children avoid the mistakes you might have made in your life. I didn't want our daughter to ignore all the natural beauty sitting right in our proverbial backyard. They say traveling with children is like seeing the world through a new set of eyes. I think it can be even more fun when you're both seeing the same thing for the first time. It was a week before Halloween, so our first stop was Pumpkin Rock in Norco, since it was on the way. Because it was a week before Halloween, it seemed like a must-do. We also stopped in Calico Ghost Town on the way to Arizona. To me, it seemed, well, quite populated for a ghost town. The Grand Canyon is a unique window into 2 billion years of Earth's history. Each layer of the canyon walls expose fossils from a different era.
This is called the Grand Canyon.
We spent our day there hiking around the perimeter at a leisurely pace, stopping occasionally to take pictures and soak in the view. We even saw some elk along the trail.
Do you like it? What do you think?
Sedona is a city in Arizona famous for its panoramic red buttes and New Age culture. There was a restaurant around the corner from our hotel that offered stunning views of the nearby buttes. A place called Pump House Station was our go-to for breakfast.
Whoa!
Our first trail in Sedona was Huckabee Trail, which begins by going under Migley Bridge and descending down to Oak Creek. Apparently the trail continues on for several miles after the creek, but at the time we thought the creek was the end. Sedona View Trail was a great, easy hike to take in a scenic view of the city.
Oh, wow!
Arguably the most famous man-made landmark in Sedona is the Chapel of the Holy Cross, a beautiful Catholic chapel built directly into a butte. Some of the congregation got a little rowdy during our visit. Montezuma Castle National Monument is a 900-year-old housing complex built into the side of a cliff by Native Americans. We were impressed by how well preserved the structure was. Bell Rock is one of the most popular hikes in Sedona, which offers both trails that circumnavigate its perimeter and that lead to its summit. We stuck with the former. Cathedral Rock stands as the canonical image of Sedona, one that filled the skylines of two trails that we hiked, Baldwin Trail and Crescent Moon Ranch. Bearizona is a fun zoo near the Grand Canyon that features both walkthrough and drive-through exhibits.
Can you say meow?
Bears walk right up to the car as you drive through. Sedona is known for its mythical energy vortexes. We didn't find any vortexes, but energy seemed to be in good supply.
You touch Mama?